Hey, today I'm going to show you my curly girl routine. So first, I soak my hair upside down, and then I'm going to add a dab of our smoothing deep conditioner. This is going to help seal that cuticle down and also combat all the frizz. So I'm going to rub it through my hands and then just work it through my hair strands. And instead of completely soaking my head again, I'm just going to cup my hands full of cold water and kind of squish that product into my hair strands and get it good and rinsed. From here, I'm going to start adding my products. Notice my hair is still soaking wet. I'm going to add a few pumps of our leave-in conditioner just to give those curls some extra hydration. Again, I'm working it through my hands and I'm just going to squish it in to my hair by scrunching my hair up and pulsing it. Okay, so once you get the leave-in scrunched in there, I'm going to use our Moxie mousse. Shake it up really well to get those ingredients blended together. And I'm using several pumps. I know it looks like a lot, but once I squeeze it into my hair, you'll see that there's not a lot of product left on the surface of my hair because it's being absorbed in. So just give it a nice good scrunch and work that product into your hair. Up next, I'm going to use our tousled texturizing mist. This is a lightweight spray gel, and I use a few pumps of that, and then I use the same technique, just rubbing it in my hands and then scrunching and squeezing into my hair strand. That's really going to work those products into your hair. Next, I'm using a microfiber towel, and I'm just lifting and squeezing the excess water out of my hair. You can see that I'm not roughing it up at all. I'm just simply lifting and squeezing to get that extra water out of my hair before I start to diffuse. And you can either use a t-shirt or a microfiber towel or even a silk pillowcase or scarf, and then that's what my hair looks like before I diffuse. Now I'm going to use a silicone diffuser on low heat and low air. And this process takes a really long time, so make sure that you plan ahead unless you're going to air dry most of the way before you start your diffuse. But I'm going to continue to use low heat and low air for probably 15 or 20 minutes until my hair is mostly dry. So once you have been diffusing for what feels like most of your life and your hair is mostly dry, I like to go back in mid-diffuse and add some more products. So I'm going to use a couple pumps of our Moxie mousse and also a dab of our curl cream. You're going to think, wow, this is a lot of product that I'm using, but actually it's going to go in and help give you some really nice shiny curls, and I feel like mid-diffuse helps really smooth out any frizz that you might have. And I like to rub those together until it creates almost like a gel. And then I go through and I just lift and scrunch it into my hair. Scrunch and hold and pulse until you've added all of that product that's on your hands into your hair. So once you have that product worked through your hair, I like to go back with our Refinish Control hairspray and just give a light mist on the underneath side of your hair, and then also flip your head over and do it again on the top. And then we go back to diffusing. I know it takes forever, but trust me, it's going to be worth it. So I'm continuing to use low heat on low pressure and just lifting it and holding it in place for a couple seconds. And I just continue to move around my head until my hair is completely dry. At this point, my hair is completely dry. I'm going to flip it up and add some more hairspray. And then I'm going to scrunch the crunch. So if you have any crunchy spots in your hair, just simply go through and scrunch them, or you can also clap the crunch out of your hair. This is going to get any crunchiness away, but also leave you with that nice, soft, bouncy curl. And then I just finish with Refinish Control hairspray, and there you have it. That's my curly girl routine.